In today's digital age, selling digital products online has become a lucrative business opportunity. With global e-commerce sales projected to reach $6 trillion this year, there's no better time to dive into this market. This video will help you navigate the ins and outs of selling digital products from creation to marketing, ensuring you maximize your profits and reach your business goals. And by the way, if you're looking for the best way to sell digital products online, make sure to sign up to Shopify using my affiliate link, which you can find down in the description of this video. Shopify is the best place to create a website online. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. So if this video helps you out, then I'll be very grateful if you do that. And with that in mind, let's get started with the video. What are digital products? Digital products are intangible assets distributed online, delivered through downloadable formats like PDFs, JPEGs, MP3s, and more. Examples include ebooks, online courses, software, and digital art. These products can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory, making them cost-effective and scalable. Digital products don't take up physical space and can be distributed instantly to customers, which makes them extremely convenient for both sellers and buyers. Why sell digital products? Selling digital products online comes with numerous advantages. One of the most significant benefits is the low overhead costs. You don't need to rent storage space or manage inventory, which reduces your initial investments considerably. All you need is a computer with sufficient memory space. This allows you to cut down on startup costs and keep them to a minimum. Digital products also offer high profit margins because you can sell the same file multiple times without incurring additional production costs. Another key advantage is flexibility and scalability. You can sell digital products to an unlimited number of customers without worrying about logistics. Whether you sell hundreds or thousands of PDFs a day, it doesn't impact your operations significantly. Orders can be delivered instantly, eliminating the need for shipping processes or courier services. This scalability makes digital products an excellent choice for those looking to grow their business rapidly. The growing demand for digital products is another reason to consider this market. The pandemic has accelerated the shift towards digital solutions, with more people working and learning online. The e-learning industry, for instance, is expected to grow to about $300 billion in the next 2 years. This trend opens up immense opportunities for selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, and digital journals. Types of digital products to sell online. There are various types of digital products you can sell online, catering to different interests and industries. Fonts and typefaces are popular among designers. Monetize your typographic designs by selling downloadable fonts compatible with softwares like Procreate, Figma, and Adobe Suite. Digital journals are another popular product, especially in the productivity niche. With rising interest in personal growth and goal setting, digital journals are high in demand. Design templates compatible with note-taking apps like GoodNotes and Notability, and create digital stickers to increase appeal. Digital illustrations are perfect for artists looking to monetize their hobby. Home decor is becoming increasingly popular, and many people seek affordable, printable wall art. Sell individual illustrations or thematic series based on the time and effort invested in creating them. Audio files are another type of digital product you can sell. Monetize your original songs, ambient music loops, or sound effects. These products are great for videographers and content creators looking for background tracks and can be priced based on the time and effort to create them. Icons for iOS are also in high demand, especially with the trend of customizing phone layouts. Create unique icons for iOS apps and sell them in sets, either as comprehensive packages or categorized thematically. Pricing can depend on the number of icons in each set and their complexity. How to sell digital products online. Starting a digital product business involves a few key steps. First, you need to choose a niche. Specializing in a specific area helps you position yourself as an expert, giving you brand credibility. Instead of trying to sell various digital products, focus on a niche that interests you and where you can offer valuable products. This specialization helps attract a targeted audience and enhance your chances of success. Once you've chosen your niche, start creating and polishing your work. Quality is crucial when it comes to digital products. Whether it's a digital worksheet, an audio file, an online course, or a set of digital stickers, make sure you spend enough time perfecting your product. High quality products not only attract more customers, but also encourage repeat purchases and positive reviews. After creating your products, it's time to set up your website. Platforms like Shopify make this process straightforward. Shopify offers unlimited bandwidth, large file support, and seamless integration with various payment gateways, making it an ideal platform for selling digital products. Setting up your online store on Shopify is easy, and the platform provides all the tools you need to manage and grow your business. Now, once your website is ready, you can start sharing your digital files with customers. After a purchase is made, deliver the digital files via email or file sharing platforms. Ensure you collect customer emails during the checkout process to facilitate smooth delivery. Shopify's inbuilt management tools help you track and manage orders seamlessly, ensuring a smooth customer experience. Benefits of using Shopify for selling digital products. Shopify is a robust platform that offers numerous benefits for selling digital products. One of its key advantages is unlimited bandwidth and large file support. This means you never have to worry about running out of storage space or dealing with large file sizes. Shopify's efficient checkout process also minimizes cart abandonment, enhancing customer satisfaction and boosting sales. Studies show that nearly 70% of shoppers abandon the checkout process, but Shopify's streamlined design helps reduce this number significantly. Shopify supports a wide range of payment gateways, making the buying experience seamless for customers. With over 65 pre-integrated payment solutions, including options like Apple Pay, Adyen, Visa Checkout, and Amazon Pay, Shopify ensures you can accommodate customers worldwide. This variety is crucial for catering to different budgets and geographical regions. Another significant advantage of Shopify is the absence of hidden transaction fees. Unlike other platforms that may charge additional fees for not using their proprietary payment providers, Shopify does not have such hidden costs. This transparency helps you manage your expenses better and ensures you get the maximum profit from your sales. Marketing your digital products. Marketing your digital product is crucial for success. Email marketing is highly effective. Build a list of subscribers and offer lead magnets like free samples in exchange for email addresses. This helps you nurture potential customers by providing personalized recommendations and content. Social media marketing is also powerful. Leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a broader audience. Create engaging content that resonates with your target market and repurpose existing content to maximize reach. Collaborating with influencers and bloggers can boost your marketing efforts. Influencer marketing works because nearly half of consumers rely on influencer recommendations when making a purchase. Partnering with influencers and bloggers can help promote your products to new audiences. Affiliate marketing is another effective strategy. Incentivize third-party businesses or influencers to promote your digital products by offering commissions for each sale. This approach can significantly increase traffic and sales. Providing excellent customer support and continuously improving your products based on feedback are also essential for long-term success. Final tips for selling digital products. When selling digital products, it's essential to provide excellent customer service. Even though digital products don't involve physical shipping, customers may still have questions or issues that need addressing. Prompt and helpful customer support can enhance the overall buying experience and encourage repeat business. Another tip is to continuously improve your products based on customer feedback. Listening to your customers' needs and preferences helps you refine your offerings and stay competitive. Regularly updating your products with new features or content can keep your customers engaged and satisfied. Offering discounts and promotions can also boost your sales. Limited time offers, bundle deals, and loyalty programs are effective ways to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Promoting these deals through your email list and social media channels ensures they reach a wide audience. So, selling digital products online offers unparalleled opportunities for profit and growth. With low overhead costs, high scalability, and growing market demand, now is the perfect time to start. By leveraging Shopify's robust platform, you can set up a professional online store, reach a global audience, and maximize your business potential. So, are you ready to dive in? Sign up now for Shopify and make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Once again, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching and till next time.